Hello guys, so today I'm turning this old shirt I'm transforming it into one of those square neck tops that I've been seeing around lately, and I just figured I would do that before I commit to buying one. I know that sounds silly, but yeah, I just don't really like this shirt. Kind of looks like a pajama top, so I figured why not make it into something I'm actually gonna wear. So if you like what you see and you want to know how, keep on watching. So what I did was I used a little crayon and I marked where I wanted the new neckline to be. It's better if you start as high up as possible because obviously if you cut too low, you can't really re-add the fabric back. I mean, you can, but that is not included in this tutorial. So as a bit of reference, I put the neckline to kind of where my bra strap meets the bra. And then what I'm doing here is using my ruler, I'm just measuring about ½ inch away from that original neckline and then marking down. And so it sort of creates a little box from where the new neckline is to where I'm creating these vertical marks. So once you have that new neckline out, you need to cut it. Yes, cut it. But you're only just going to cut the vertical lines. You're not cutting out the whole thing. So as you can see here, I just cut the vertical lines. I did not cut the whole piece out. So here I'm just cutting at the little hem on the shoulder. I'm just cutting on that strip where that collar line is. And obviously do the same on both sides. And then what I'm going to do is where that collar ends, I'm going to use my ruler again and I'm going to trace down to where I cut that horizontal line. Hopefully that's clear enough to you guys. And I'm just doing the same on the other side. Okay, then with your scissors, you're going to cut that new horizontal line that you just made. Do this on the other side too. And hopefully that is clear enough. You're going to have 3 flaps total. You're going to have the 2 vertical flaps, and then you're going to have the big horizontal flap of the collar. And then you're going to turn the shirt inside out, and using a peel and stick tape that I got in the Stitch Witch aisle at Michael's, I'm going to cut it to the length of the vertical flap, and then I'm just going to press it down really good. And you are absolutely going to peel that off, and then press it over and press down really good to create that nice flat looking hem. And you're just going to do the same to the other vertical side, the vertical flap. Now onto the horizontal flap. We did not forget about you. You're going to do the same. Use that peel and stick tape, cut it to the length of the horizontal flap, press it down really good, peel off that tape, and then fold it over to create that new hem. And she's looking questionable right now, but you know, we're not finished yet. Almost there. And then the final touch, definitely depending on what type of fabric the shirt is in, I'm using clear nail polish and I'm just lightly coating that on those little corners so that when you put on the shirt, the fabric doesn't pull and fray and starts to look messy because you don't want that. And look, here she is. Honestly, I think it's really cute. I think it turned out pretty well, all things considering. And look, don't come for me, okay? Like, I'm wearing this to the club on the weekends. It's gonna be dark and you won't be able to tell. But like I said, I really like how this came out. If you like it too, if you want to try it, definitely thumbs up the video. You can leave a nice comment or even a constructive comment if you think I could have done this a little bit differently so it turned out a bit cleaner and neater. I'm always trying to improve and learn new things. So yeah, thank you again for watching and take care.